It's important to know every family because we have to work very close to them, and the most important person is the child, to be honest with you. So working with the parents, getting the best out of what the child needs is the most important part. So we invite the parents in, we have a little chat to them, they get to know us, we get to know them, we put faces to faces as well, which is lovely. We learn about their backgrounds, we learn about their culture, we learn about where they've come from, any siblings, anything. It's important that we've got this relationship between us and that the parents feel welcomed. We do have an open door policy so that the parents can come and speak to us at any time, and that makes them feel very secure and safe and makes the environment much happier. The parents are happy to come and talk to us. They've got enough confidence to come and see us. We work together for a long time. We know that the best thing is for the children to have the best. So they come and see us if they've got any money problems, any sibling problems, maybe any family problems, or if they just want a bit of guidance, or maybe they just want to chat, to be honest with you. Sometimes they just want to come, have a chat with you, and maybe you can just not solve their problems, but it maybe just makes it a lot easier for them. We do have a food bank. We help them out with food banks each week if they need it, and it just makes the parents feel a little bit more secure when they come, and then, you know, they know that we are there for support for them.
It's so important, and it's so nice to see families a part of their child's journey and knowing what their children are doing in the setting. And when we look at that further afield as well and introducing them to their Cynefin, the families know and want to be involved with that. For example, a Cylch in Wrexham has been doing a lot about the football and Ryan Reynolds, and the families then can engage a lot more with that because it's relevant, and they can gain a lot of information and share a lot of information with the children too. So the Twin Town project is something amazing which has really brought two Cylchs together, connecting them from Cardiff and Wrexham. They have a lot of shared interest and a lot of differences that's really good to share between the two. So what they have in common is the football, which Cardiff and Wrexham both share their knowledge. The children and the staff, of course, love this. Starting off connecting with emails and then onto FaceTimes and Christmas cards. The children and the staff absolutely love the football. So when I was in the Cylch, we used to do a normal session for the children, but invite the families along to come and play for an hour. It was a lovely opportunity to see the families joining in with circle time and singing the songs that they've learnt at home, but also to engage and join in with their play too. And it was a really good opportunity for us to share the planning book and for the families to really see the observations and the purpose behind everything.